Hi, what's your name and where you from?
Hi, my name is Adya Singh and I am from Bokaro, Jharkhand.
Adya, how did you find about MIT?
I found out about the college from my coaching teacher since it was really far away from my home, so I didn't know about it much from earlier on.
Was it difficult for you to know what exactly going on in the campus and what is MIT really is?
Yeah, it surely was really difficult for me because I had nobody over here to contact and get to know what actually was going on here. Like, we had to contact the college again and again, which was really difficult.
Okay, thank you so much, Adya. Hi, what's your name and where are you from?
Hello, myself Ashwin and I am from Jammu and Kashmir.
How did you find about MIT?
One of my teachers suggested me about MIT on the basis of my marks that I scored.
Was it difficult for you to find about MIT? I mean, the insides of MIT, the reality, what's going on?
Yeah, it was really difficult for me to understand what's going on inside the campus. As I lived far away, so it was difficult for me to come every time they called.
Okay, thank you, Ashwin. Hi, what's your name and where you from?
So coming to me, I am Ashprit Singh Diman and I am from Punjab, Mohali.
Okay, Ashpreet, how did you find about MIT?
So one day I was randomly scrolling and I came across the advertisement about ADTU.
Okay, was it difficult for you to know what exactly is MIT and what's the culture of MIT and what's going on in the campus?
Yeah, actually it was quite difficult because it is very difficult to frequently travel from Punjab to Pune and there was a big cross culture gap between peoples. Thanks.
Okay, thank you, Ashpreet.
Hello, myself Ayush Thakre and I am from Surat, Gujarat. I found out about MIT through social media. Yes, definitely it was difficult for me while taking admission in college because I live far away and I was very doubtful about how the college would be.
Everyone, this is Namanjay. I'm from Kerala. I came to know about MIT ADT Pune through social media. So the main problems I faced here was language barrier, as Marathi is a language that is not quite comfortable for me, as I speak in Malayalam, that is my mother tongue, and English is only the second language I prefer while talking to other people here. Second thing was the distance between my hometown and MIT ADT Pune is a bit distant. So it took me around 10 to 15 hours of travel. So frequent campus visit was not possible for me. So this was the problems I faced during my admission period. Thank you so much.
So, hi everyone, I am Kunal from Patna, Bihar. I got to know about MIT ADT through social media. As my hometown is very far away from Pune city, it takes almost 30 hours to travel, due to which frequent campus visit before admission was not possible, which resulted in inconnectivity with professors, seniors, and other students. Thank you.
हेलो नमस्ते एवरीवन। मेरा नाम शिवम कुमार सिंह है। मैं नेपाल से हूँ। विराटनगर सिटी से मैं बिलोंग करता हूँ। मैं MIT आते वक्त मुझे बहुत प्रॉब्लम फेस करना पड़ा, क्योंकि ड्यू टू उधर नेपाल से मुझे आने को बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता था। उसके बाद इधर क्या हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा, प्रोसीजर क्या हुआ नहीं हुआ, वो भी फाइंड करने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता था। तो इसी कारण मुझे बहुत प्रॉब्लम फेस करने पड़े, और इसी कारण मैं सीनियर से इंटरेक्ट भी नहीं कर पाता था। कुछ पता भी नहीं होता था क्या है नहीं है, फूड प्रोसेसिंग क्या होता है नहीं होता, फूड टेक्नोलॉजी होता है क्या है नहीं होता, कुछ मालूम ही नहीं होता था।
Hi, my name is Shreya Singh and I belong to Varanasi. It's a city in Uttar Pradesh. I got to know about this college through my own research. I looked into various websites and then I got to know about this college because it was very difficult for me to get a college based on my marks. So at last I got in here. The major problem I faced here was communication, because the faculty members were not answering the calls regularly and it was difficult to communicate with them.
My name is Satyam and I am from Bihar. My counselor suggested me to get into this college. Yes, it was really difficult for me because I live really very far away from this college and my parents were really afraid about the real culture of this college.
My name is Ananta Mishra and I am from Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. I got to know about my college through a professor. The problems I faced were that I wasn't able to visit the campus as it was way too far for me. So I wasn't able to get to know about the insights of the college.
My name is Vallabha Shetty. I'm from Hyderabad, Telangana. I get to know about this college on social media and then I research on it through online websites. As I live in Telangana, it was very difficult for me to connect with the people here and to know about this college. Thank you.
Hello, I am Adya Dev. I come from Raipur, Chhattisgarh. I found about MIT ADT University through a consultancy website when I was looking for colleges. The problem I faced was lack of information about the ongoing events and club activities. Thank you.